Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to self-learn electrical engineering full guide. Start by defining clear goals and a study routine, then gather basic tools like a multimeter and breadboard, and plan small projects to apply theory. Focus on circuits, measurements, and practical troubleshooting, combining short daily study sessions with weekend builds to reinforce ideas and build confidence steadily as you progress. Build a foundation by studying core topics in a logical order, starting with circuit analysis and progressing to semiconductors and signal concepts. Mix concise theory readings with lab exercises, simulate designs when possible, and code simple microcontroller projects to see concepts interact. Use repetition to master problem solving and review tricky topics by teaching them aloud or explaining to a friend, which strengthens understanding and memory. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports free educational content. Quick recommendation. I spotted a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with career planning and long-term goals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing it if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Choose practical tools and approachable projects to make learning tangible, using simulators and affordable hardware kits to iterate quickly. Start with simple sensor projects, LED drivers, and small motor controllers, then layer in analog filtering and digital control. Document each build, note failures and fixes, and gradually increase complexity so each project teaches one new concept while reinforcing previous skills in a manageable, motivating progression.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.